Oh my god. So I come home from school today and there's this mysterious crate in my living room and my parents aren't here. And I was saying to the I saw this dog at the Humane Society that I helped in the parade. And I'm like, Joe, I totally want this dog. It was the dog I totally wanted. And all of a sudden my dad comes home, and I have a dog! Her name's Alice! But I don't know if that's what I'm going to actually name her yet. Ooh, she's on my bed. Alice, come here. Say hi. What a good girl. She's a pit bull mix, and she's beautiful. Oh, look at her. Oh, best dog ever. She's not quite a puppy, but she's not an adult either, so she might get a little bit bigger. I don't know if I'm going to keep her name, guys. You need to help me. Oh, she loves her mommy. What a good girl. What a good girl. She's so beautiful. Gotta let me know on names, guys. Well, are you surprised?